Cyber threats are no longer slowing down, they are accelerating. Every year, attackers become smarter, faster, and more organized, while the number of connected devices around the world keeps growing. From laptops and smartphones to cloud platforms and remote work environments, the digital attack surface is expanding at an unprecedented rate. In fact, tens of thousands of new software vulnerabilities are now being discovered every single year, proving one thing clearly: cyber risk is no longer a future problem. It is a present reality. In today's video, we will break down the most important cybersecurity trends shaping the global threat landscape, explain why they matter, and explore how organizations can reduce risk by staying ahead of attackers. Understanding cybersecurity trends. Cybersecurity trends represent the evolving patterns in how cyber attacks are carried out and how defenses must adapt. These trends are driven by three major forces: rapid technological innovation, changing work environments, and the increasing sophistication of threat actors. As businesses rely more heavily on digital services, financial systems, and communication infrastructure, attackers follow closely behind. Each new technology introduces new efficiencies, but also new weaknesses. Understanding cybersecurity trends for 2026 is not about prediction alone. It is about preparation. Organizations that anticipate these shifts are far better positioned to protect sensitive data, users, and critical operations. Why monitoring cybersecurity trends is critical. Global investment in information technology and cybersecurity continues to rise, but spending alone does not guarantee protection. What truly matters is how well security strategies align with real-world threats. Ignoring emerging cybersecurity trends can expose organizations to severe financial losses, regulatory penalties, and irreversible reputational damage. Let's examine the key reasons why tracking these trends is essential. Number 1. Increasing attack complexity. Modern cyber attacks are no longer simple or noisy. Threat actors now use fileless malware, multi-stage intrusion campaigns, and stealth techniques designed to bypass traditional security tools. Legacy defenses that rely solely on known signatures are struggling to keep pace. Monitoring cybersecurity trends allows organizations to adopt proactive measures such as behavioral analytics and zero-trust architectures, enabling faster detection of unusual activity before damage occurs. Number 2. Reputation and trust at risk. A single high-profile breach can destroy years of trust built with customers, partners, and investors. Public incidents often lead to lawsuits, regulatory fines, and long-term brand damage. Organizations that stay informed about cybersecurity trends are better equipped to detect intrusions early, preventing minor incidents from becoming public disasters. In this context, cybersecurity is not just technical protection, it is brand protection. Number 3. Rising regulatory pressure. Data protection laws and compliance frameworks continue to grow stricter worldwide. Regulations such as GDPR and HIPAA impose heavy penalties for mishandling sensitive information.
As cyber threats evolve, regulators expect security controls to evolve as well. Tracking cybersecurity trends helps organizations stay ahead of compliance requirements and reduce the risk of legal consequences following a breach. Number 4. Expansion of the remote workforce. Remote and hybrid work models have permanently changed how organizations operate. Employees now access critical systems from home networks, personal devices, and public Wi-Fi environments. This shift significantly increases exposure to phishing attacks, endpoint compromises, and data leakage. Keeping up with cybersecurity trends allows organizations to deploy stronger endpoint protection, secure access controls, and zero-trust frameworks that protect remote workers without sacrificing productivity. Number 5. Escalating financial consequences. Cyber incidents are becoming more expensive than ever. Ransomware attacks can halt operations entirely, while recovery costs continue long after systems are restored. Beyond direct financial losses, organizations also suffer hidden costs such as customer churn, loss of market confidence, and long-term revenue impact. Aligning security investments with current cybersecurity trends helps reduce downtime and improve recovery speed, minimizing overall business disruption.
Number 6. Urgency in vulnerability management. Unpatched systems remain one of the most common entry points for attackers. Vulnerabilities in software, cloud environments, and virtual appliances are frequently exploited within days of disclosure. Organizations that monitor cybersecurity trends can prioritize patching and vulnerability remediation based on real-world attack activity. Effective cyber resilience still depends on consistent updates, timely scanning, and disciplined patch management.
Cybersecurity is no longer a static defense strategy. It is an ongoing process of adaptation. As threats continue to evolve, organizations that remain informed, proactive, and flexible will be the ones that survive and thrive in the digital age. Monitoring cybersecurity trends is not optional. It is a fundamental requirement for protecting data, reputation, and business continuity. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your network, and subscribe to Adaptivids for more clear and practical cybersecurity content. Your support helps us continue delivering high-quality insights that keep you informed and protected. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.